Now, this dog will grab and shred toys in seconds, according to the experts at the shelter from which she came. Little Bella here. Well, Michael applied a few procedures a moment ago from all our research, and she's not shredding. She's really giving up on it. And now she said, oh, wasn't that important anyway? Daddy's important. Look at that. I revere Daddy. I honor, I worship Daddy, not some silly toy or piece of food or some clicker. Look at that gorilla done in. Another senseless gorilla death. Look at that. And she's walking right past it. Tease her with the gorilla. Taunt her. Let's see what happens when a child is indiscriminate. All right? And let's just see, and let her go. Look how gentle she's being. She's saying, well, if the child wants it back, I'm going to automatically give it back. Look at that. And look at this. And see how, and she, oh, look at that. She built in courtesy in seconds. This is not dog training. This is the process of evolutionary normalization, procedure researched over 40 years ago that works better than everything else and works when everything else doesn't. All right, she's got possession. And upon your approach, here we go. You reach in there. And let's see how she is. Beautiful. Beautiful. She plays under your level, does not leapfrog over your level to a higher level. Much better. Well, Michael, this is boring, don't you think? I think it's time to take them for a walk and see if we can find some trouble. Here we go.